Two more concepts we want to understand about lists are indexing and slicing. Python, like many other languages, is a zero-based language, meaning that the first item in any list is item 0. The next item is item 1, and so on. So in this regions list, on line 1, north would be region 0, south region 1, east region 2, and west region 3. I'm going to display two index items from the regions and sales list. The first one is a print statement on line 5 to print the first region and then the first sales amount. Let's run this. That worked, as the first item in any list is item 0. One note here, it says press any key to continue. I'll do that because it's a lot faster than clicking the X to closing the window. Now what about the last item in a list? Often you'll want to see the most recent or last item, and we know from the previous video that any item added to a list becomes the last item in the list. I'm going to copy this print statement on line 5 and paste it on line 6. And then I'm going to change the 0 to a -1. Let's see what this does. -1 represents the last item in a list. This is great, as it helps you avoid trying to figure out how large a list is. If you want the last item, use a -1 index. Second to last, use -2, and so on. By the way, these two statements represent slicing, as in you are pulling a piece out of a list to display using index numbers. One more thing. You can use index numbers to replace a list item. I want to replace Flo with Bell in the employees list. Flo is item 0, 1, 2. I'll skip a line, and then on line 8 I'll type employees 2 equal Bell. Then I'll copy the display code from the previous example, paste it in here, and run this. Perfect.